Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are making ruffled headband today. You can make this for sale and make some money for yourself. They are really pretty, very easy and straight to the point. We are going to need the following: 2 strips of fabric of about 3 inches by 23 inch. We are going to need as well 2 strips of fabric. Other smaller ones need elastic. We are going to need, the elastic is going to be about 7 inches. We're going to need a bigger strip of fabric. Of about 44 inches by 10 inch. Then we are going to need an Alice headband. We're going to need glue gun as well. So I'm going to start by sewing the bigger strip of fabric. Just put the 2 raw edges together, sew by 1 inch seam allowance, turn it over, and then we'll pass a stripe of about 5 inches through. Secure it with the pins, and you can make a stitch at the end when you pass through the 5-inch fabric. Just pass it through. You're securing it. You pass. I'm using a safety pin to do that, to make it easy. I would have used an elastic as well, but I prefer using a strip of fabric because it makes it longer. I can make it longer, I can make it short. So, and it's easier to control when you use a strip of fabric. This is a strip of fabric. I pass it through, then I'll secure the 2 edges with a stitch, and our ruffle is done. We're going to keep that aside, and then we're going to wrap our headband with a strip of fabric. They were using the 23 by 3 inches fabric to wrap the headband. Wrap, attach, it's actually safe. It's just watch closely and carefully. You see how I do it. Please like, subscribe, share to your loved ones if this video is helpful. If you have these headbands wrapped like this, you can keep them and just make different designs. You can make ruffles, you can make bow, and just attach to it. It's easy. So I just bend that, and then I'll wrap around it. Just bend that into wrap around it. It's pretty easy. Just keep wrapping until you reach the middle. You wrap that carefully. Please, like I said, please like, subscribe to my channel if you want more of these videos. More of them are actually coming, and I will make the process very simple for you to learn at home. It's easy to make. Like I said, if you just watch carefully what I'm doing. Yeah, just wrap. When you reach that middle, you're going to cut off the excess fabric, and then you bend it inside, like you hide the raw edges and secure with the glue gun. The gum. I'm just going to use the glue gun to secure that down. Yeah, just secure it. That makes it to stay neat and without any ruffle coming out. You do the same for the other side. Wrap it. Just wrap. And your headband. When you reach the middle, you have to bend the two edges together, and then you wrap. That will make it so you don't have any ruffles coming out or any fraying of the fabric. The fabric will not fray, and you will see. Yeah, just cut like that, and then you bend it and tuck it in. You secure with the glue gun as well. Makes it pretty easy. You can as well use a thread. If you don't have the glue gun, use a thread to secure it. When you reach the end, it will also work well. Yeah. Now we're going to take the ruffle that we made, and we'll just use the glue gun to attach it on the headband. Yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. Just take the position where you want it to be. You can put it on the side, you can put it in the middle. Yeah, just secure it with your glue gun, and that is pretty much it. It's easy, straight to the point, not too complicated. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if the video is helpful. Please tell me which ones you want me to make, and I will gladly show you how it's been done. Here is our headband. Thank you for watching. Bye.